Hi Arjun. I believe ArivuPro is launching ArivuPro CA Foundation Reboot course on 5th of August this month. We received a couple of queries from the students. We wanted to discuss these queries with you now.
Sure.
Yeah.
Be more happy.
Yeah. So what inspired you to launch this course?
This current CA Foundation results, when we look into it, only around 15% have passed. 78,000 students have seen failure this time. And one of the major reasons of failure has been a lot of them have lost in one subject, a lot of them have lost in aggregate, and also a lot of time students have not known how to present their paper. See, when somebody has scored a 160, 170-ish and failed it, it means that they know the concepts well, but they don't know how to present it or how to go about with their exam preparation. So this whole Reboot program is more inspired towards it to say, you know what, whatever you have learned, you unlearn and you focus more on the examination part of it.
Okay, nice. So who exactly is this course for and what can students expect from it?
So this course is for students preparing for the September attempt, and majorly it's going to be advantage for the students who did not clear the previous attempts. Like I said, since it's not going to be focused on more conceptual learning, it is going to be more focused towards exam preparation. So the focus for the next 30 days is going to be towards exam preparation. So we are going to be covering the entire syllabus, but the focus is for the guys who are writing the September exams.
Okay. So why should someone join this crash course at ArivuPro specifically?
One, because of the faculties who are there. So they have, first of all, they have cleared the exams to ensure that you clear it. Second is a very intensive 7 hours program every day, followed by 5 hours of your homework, or let's say the practice questions which are going to be given, your mock exams which are going to be conducted on a weekly basis, and finally towards your end to also focus on giving a full-fledged paper so that you are well prepared before you give your examination. You also get a dedicated counselor support anytime you require. You can get in touch with the counselors or the faculties who will help you with your study plan. And what more can you look at as a student? The 30 days, extremely intensive, focus towards one goal of making sure that you clear your examination.
So what can students expect in terms of daily schedule and routine?
So the classes are going to be starting at 9 o'clock and it's going to be 7 hours of classes every day, comprising of 2 subjects, accounting and maybe your MCQ paper, so that you get to balance both in terms of your preparation. And then 5 hours of your practice questions back home. So it's going to be a 12 hours of hectic schedule. So if you look at it over a 30-day period, it's almost like a 400 hours of preparation time which is going to go in. To make it more better is where we have started this as a residential program so that they don't spend so much of time doing other things and the focus is only towards one goal.
So can you tell us about the faculty and their qualification about their
So all the faculties who are going to be teaching you guys, you can check it on our YouTube, all the CA Foundation faculties, their videos are available. So our best faculties are going to be part of the program so that you are assured of your better results out there by the end of this program.
Can you throw some lights on the partnership with Serenity Hostels and why did you choose them as partners?
So Serenity Hostel has been one of the most sought after hostels for the students of Christ University, and this is 100 meters away from our institute too. The food is delicious, the safety, security is taken care of, they have a study room, and for me, at the end of the day, the safety and the hygiene of the student is more important. I think they were a perfect partner for us to sign up with them.
So lastly, what is your message to students considering joining this crash course?
If you know where your weaknesses are, then and you are looking at a partner who can help you out or a guide to help you out to clear your exams, I think ArivuPro is going to be a one-stop solution because we have carefully thought about this program as a student, not as an academy or as a professional. We have understood what are the problems that the students faced with the current attempt, how can we work towards improvising onto it. And when it's an intensive program, I'm very sure the success is something that can be guaranteed in terms of it. Provided you put in your efforts, the direction is to make sure that you clear your exams at one go.
Yeah, thank you Arjun for your clear explanation.
Thank you guys. Looking forward to see you guys on August 5th.